Today I'm going to show you how to export PST files from Outlook. So in Outlook Classic on the top left, you'll see File. Over here, we're going to go to Account Settings. Go ahead, click on this and look for Account Settings again. Now, this is what we're looking for. We've got email, data files, RSS feed. What we're looking for is data files. And here, what you want to do is create a new data file. So click on Add over here. And here you will have your computer's file location opened. Now I've created a folder that I would like to put this in. It is currently called PST files. Go ahead, click on that and say open. We're going to now click on OK. And here you can see that this is where my PST files will be stored. Great. Let's say close. And let's say we would like to move an entire mailbox. So go ahead and, for example, we're going to use our inbox. Right click on this and you're going to go down here and you're going to say copy folder. Here you are going to look for your folder. It is the My Outlook data file. You can open this up. You'll see currently there are deleted items in there. But what we want to do is select My Data File. Go ahead and click on OK. Now this entire mailbox is now being copied. If you open the sidebar, you'll go to My Outlook data file, and here it all is. Now currently it's quite a few emails, so it's synchronizing. It'll take a few seconds, but if you go and open up the file that you had created and stored locally, all of the emails will have moved to that local folder in a PST format. Now you can do this if you're going into your inbox. You can do this for a single email. So right click on the email, go ahead and say copy, or down over here say move, and you'll see the folder, because we've recently used it, is up here. But if you can't see it here, just click on other folders. You'll find it here. Go ahead and say OK. Now it has been moved, not copied, but moved to that folder. And if you give it a few seconds, it will populate and it will be downloaded as a PST file on your local computer.